Hi everyone, Miss Tui here. Did you know that you and Ozobot have something in common? You are both examples of matter. Matter can change when it's heated or cooled. You and Ozobot are going to work together to explore some examples of matter and what happens to matter when it is heated or cooled. For today's lesson, you will need an Ozobot fully charged and calibrated, a pencil, color code markers, and 3 pages of your changes in matter activity sheets. In today's lesson, you will read clues to determine the matter being described, draw pictures to show how matter changes when it is heated or cooled, and use lines and color codes to program your bot to demonstrate changes in matter. Let's go over some important vocabulary for this lesson. Matter is anything that takes up space. Look around the room you are in. Matter is everywhere. The air you are breathing is matter. The chair you're sitting on is matter. And whatever you are drinking is matter. Matter is grouped into 3 different categories: solid, like the chair; liquid, like the drink; or gas, like air. Matter can change when it is heated or cooled. Check out this example of matter that can be reversed or undone with heating or cooling. Here is a popsicle. Since the popsicle is cold, it is frozen solid. When the popsicle is heated or made warmer, it melts into liquid. The liquid can be cooled to refreeze again into a popsicle. Now check out this example of matter that cannot be reversed or undone with heating or cooling. Here is a log or a piece of wood. When the log or piece of wood is heated, it turns to ash or smoke. The ash and smoke cannot be turned back into wood. To begin, you will need the Changes in Matter Matchup Clues activity sheet. You will read all of the clues and use the words in the word bank to determine the matter being described. The first 3 examples, numbers 1 through 3, tell about matter that changes from heating or cooling, but can be reversed or undone. The next 3 examples, numbers 4 through 6, tell about matter that changes from heating, but cannot be reversed or undone. Let's read and use the clues to figure out number 1 together. The clues are: you find me where it is cool. If you heat me up, I melt into liquid. If you cool me off, I get hard again. People like to eat me on popcorn and toast. Now let's look at the word bank. Thinking about the first clue, do you see an example of matter that is found in a cool place? It could be butter, eggs, or water. Thinking about the second clue, which of these melts into a liquid? I am thinking butter. Thinking about the final clue, is butter something people eat on popcorn? Way to go! We figured out the first example of matter, butter. I will write the word butter on the line to answer the question, what am I? Can you write the word butter for number 1 on your activity sheet? Then read the rest of the clues on the activity sheet to figure out the other 5 examples of matter. You are now ready for map 1. This map will show the examples of matter from the activity sheet that can be reversed. There are 3 paths, number 1 through 3, on the start. Below each path, there are 2 empty boxes in a line. You will use the boxes to draw 2 pictures to show the matter that was described. You will write the name of the matter on the line. Let's do the first one together. The first matter described was butter. I will write the word butter on the line. The butter started out cold and was hard, so in the first box, I will draw a stick of butter. After the butter was heated, it melted into a liquid, so I will draw a melted puddle of butter in the second box. Can you write the word butter on the line for number 1 and draw 2 pictures to show butter that is cold and butter that is melted? Then draw and label to show the second and third examples of matter that changes but can be undone. After you've drawn and labeled your pictures on map 1, you are ready for your color code markers. You will use your markers and the color code's key to complete each pathway. The missing color code, blue, red, will program your bot to turn around. The rectangles labeled with an H will program the light on your bot to turn red to show heating. The rectangles labeled with a C will program the light on your bot to turn blue to show cooling. I am going to complete the missing color code on the right side of the path first, labeled BR. The first box will be blue and the second box will be red. The second missing color code on the left side of the path is going to be the opposite sequence or order of colors. I do not want the bot to turn around before it moves to the end of the path, so I am going to color the first box red and the second box blue. This will allow my bot to follow the path all the way to the end of the line, turn around, and travel back on the line and turn around again. Now I'm going to color the rectangle labeled H red and the rectangle labeled C blue. I will use my markers to complete the other 2 paths the same way. Can you use your markers and the color code's key to complete all 3 paths? Remember, the color codes on the right will be blue, red. The color code on the left will be red, blue. Time for your bot. You will put your bot on each start to see how these examples of matter change when heated or cooled. You will also see these changes can be reversed or undone as your bot loops or repeats its action. Let's watch my bot in action. The LED light on the top of my bot turns blue to show cooling as the butter is hard. Then the LED light on the top of my bot turns red to show heating as the butter melts into a liquid. Now my bot is programmed to turn around to show the change can be undone. When the butter cools again, it hardens. Can you run your bot on all 3 paths? Watch as the LED light changes to show heating and cooling. The picture you drew should show what the matter looks like when it is heated and when it is cooled. Now you will need map 2. This map will show the examples of matter from the activity sheet that cannot be reversed. There are 3 paths numbered 4 through 6 on start. Below each path are 2 empty boxes and a line. You will use the boxes to draw 2 pictures to show the matter that was described. You will write the name of the matter on the line. Let's do number 4 together. The clues are, you wouldn't like to eat me when I am cold, but heat me up and I explode. I am a favorite snack at the movies. The 4th matter described was popcorn. I'll write the word popcorn on the line. The popcorn started out cold and hard, so in the first box, I will draw unpopped kernels. After the kernels were heated, they exploded and popped, so I will draw popped popcorn. Can you write the word popcorn on the line for number 4 and draw 2 pictures to show popcorn that is cold, unpopped, and heated popped popcorn? Then label and draw to show the other 2 examples of matter that changes and cannot be undone. After you've drawn and labeled your pictures on map 2, you are ready for color code markers. You will use your markers and the color code's key to complete each pathway. The missing color code, green, blue, will program your bot to dance and stop. The rectangles labeled with H will program the light on your bot to turn red to show heating. I am going to complete the missing color code on the right side of my path first. The first box will be green and the second will be blue. Now I am going to color the rectangle labeled H red. I will use my markers to complete the other two pathways the same way. Can you use your markers and the color code's key to complete all three paths? Time for your bot. You will put your bot on each start to see how these examples of matter change when heated. You will also see that these changes cannot be reversed or undone as your bot stops after the change. Let's watch my bot in action. The LED light at the top of my bot turns red to show heating as the kernel explodes or pops. Now my bot is programmed to dance and stop. Can you run your bot on all three paths? Watch as the LED light changes to show heating. The pictures you drew should show what matter looks like before it is heated and after it is heated. Check your work. Did you match all 6 examples of matter from the word bank with the clues? Do you have pictures drawn on both maps to show the examples of matter that change? Did you add colors and color codes to complete the paths on both maps? Does your work show how matter changes when heated or cooled? Does your work show how some changes to matter can be undone and some cannot? Come back again soon for our next lesson.